If you have had a stroke or you just want to be proactive for your brain health, then this video might help you a lot. Today, I'm gonna tell you how you can prevent stroke, attacks, or just be assured of your neurological health with just 5 super brain vitamins. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I'm Dr. Amisha. You are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can explore detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise, and disease treatment with natural and holistic care. Okay, so let's talk about stroke. A stroke happens when the blood flow to a part of the brain is interrupted, either due to a blood clot, ischemic stroke, or bleeding, hemorrhagic stroke. Recovery from a stroke depends on how fast treatment begins, the extent of the brain damage, and the body's ability to regenerate and rewire itself, a process called neuroplasticity. Well, let's jump on to the vitamins that help speed up neuroplasticity. The first is vitamin B12 or cobalamin. It is a must-have for stroke recovery. Now, let's know why it is important. It helps repair damaged nerves. It supports the formation of myelin, a protective covering around nerves. It also helps reduce homocysteine levels in the body, which is linked to cognitive decline. Deficiency in B12 is common in older adults and can mimic or worsen symptoms like numbness, memory loss, and muscle weakness. You can get this vitamin from eggs, fish, shellfish, poultry, and fortified cereals. The second is vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin does a lot more than keep your bones strong. After stroke, many patients experience fatigue, muscle weakness, and even depression, all linked to low vitamin D. Let's understand why it is crucial to have vitamin D after a stroke. It enhances muscle recovery and supports immune health to prevent post-stroke infections. It improves cognitive functions and mental well-being. You can fulfill this vitamin D with egg yolks, fatty fish like salmon and tuna, fortified milk and cereals, and sunlight for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, the next vitamin that comes on the list of brain healthy vitamins is vitamin C. It is best known for supporting the immune system, but it's also a potent antioxidant that supports brain and vascular health. Now, let's understand how it is helpful in stroke recovery. It reduces oxidative stress on brain cells. It supports collagen production for tissue repair and helps strengthen blood vessels. To raise vitamin C levels, you can consume oranges, lemons, berries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that protects your body and brain from damage by free radicals. It helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. It protects nerve cells and helps support better memory and cognitive recovery. You can fulfill the requirement through almonds, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, spinach, broccoli, avocados, and olive oil. Now, the last brain health supporting vitamin is vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. B6 works hand in hand with B12 and folate in regulating homocysteine levels, a marker linked to increased stroke risk. Now, let's know what benefits you can get if you maintain an adequate dose of vitamin B6. It supports brain neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine and enhances mood and reduces depression post-stroke. Bananas, chickpeas, potatoes, tuna, and chicken are some of the dietary sources that can help boost vitamin B6 naturally. Alright, I have discussed the 5 vitamins that can help protect your brain cells from neuronal damage and reduce inflammation. Vitamins can actually improve your brain health, but again relying on vitamins can't serve as a full treatment. Stroke is a major cause of paralysis and preventing it can benefit you in paralysis recovery. Bharat Homeopathy medicines promote healing from within, ensuring overall well-being both physically and psychologically. Bharat Homeopathic treatments are prescribed according to each patient's constitution for better results. We have strong patient feedback as we have treated thousands of paralysis patients globally. We are a team of experienced doctors who are experts in treating neurological disorders with our personalized and customized homeopathic medicines. Well, recovery from paralysis is now not a challenging thing. It is easily treatable with Bharat homeopathic medicines. We are here to serve you with our years of acquired clinical experience and knowledge. Thank you.